Imagine if brushing your teeth depended on motivation. Some mornings you'd do it, other mornings you'd simply skip it. Sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? Yet that's exactly how most people treat exercise. Studying, reading, saving money, or chasing their dreams. They wait until they feel like doing it. Here's the truth. The people who change their lives don't have stronger motivation. They have stronger habits. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to build habits that last even when you don't feel like it. Have you ever promised yourself, "This is the week I'll finally be consistent"? Maybe you started going to the gym, reading every morning, waking up early. For a few days, everything went perfectly. Then one busy day happened. You missed once, then twice. Before you knew it, the habit was gone. You didn't fail because you lacked potential. You failed because nobody taught you how habits actually work. Most people think motivation creates habits. It's actually the other way around. Habits create motivation. Think about driving. When you first learned it, you had to think about everything. The mirrors, the pedals, the steering wheel. Now you do most of it without thinking. Why? Because repetition trained your brain. The same thing happens with every habit. The more you repeat it, the less effort it takes. Pattern interrupt. The hardest workout isn't your 100th. It's your first. One of the biggest mistakes people make is starting too big. They decide they'll read 50 pages every day, wake up at 5 a.m., exercise for 2 hours, meditate for an hour. It sounds exciting until real life happens. Instead, make your habits so small you can't make an excuse. Want to read? Start with 1 page. Want to work out? Do 5 push-ups. Want to meditate? Sit quietly for 1 minute. It may feel too small, but small habits grow. Habits you quit. Imagine putting 1 brick on the ground every single day. 1 brick doesn't look impressive, neither do 10. But after months, you've built a wall. After years, you've built a house. Success works the same way. It's not one big action. It's thousands of small ones repeated over time. Missing 1 day is a mistake. Missing 2 days starts a new habit. If you miss once, come back the next day. Never miss twice. Here's the secret most people never hear. Don't focus on the goal. Focus on the person. Instead of saying, "I want to run a marathon," say, "I am someone who never skips training." Instead of, "I want to read more," become, "I am someone who learns every day." Every action is like casting a vote for the person you want to become. The more votes you cast, the stronger that identity becomes. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. If junk food is sitting on your table, you'll eat it. If your phone is beside your bed, you'll probably scroll before sleeping. But if your book is on your pillow, you're more likely to read. If your running shoes are already by the door, you're more likely to exercise. Don't just rely on self-control. Design your environment so the right choice becomes the easiest choice. Picture 2 people. Both dream of changing their lives. The first waits for the perfect Monday, the perfect mood, the perfect moment. The second starts today. Just 1 small action, every single day. A year later, the difference is obvious. Not because one person was more talented, but because one trusted motivation, while the other trusted habits. Conclusion: your life isn't shaped by what you do once. It's shaped by what you repeat. Small habits may not change your life today. They may not even change it this week, but give them enough time, and they'll change who you become. So don't chase motivation. Build habits. Keep them small. Never miss twice. And remember, every small action today is building the person you'll become tomorrow. If this video helped you see habits differently, subscribe for more videos that help you build a stronger mind, better habits, and a life you're proud of. Remember, you don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your habits.